Every IT team has been promised the same. AI will revolutionize how you code. But 6 months in, and most teams are still struggling. Why? The problem isn't the technology, it's the context. Most AIs are trained on pretty much everything, which means they know nothing about your code base, your architecture, or your team's standards. Without context, AI becomes a guessing game. It suggests code in Python when you're using TypeScript. It recommends patterns you've deprecated months ago. It has no idea about your security requirements or that critical migration you're right in the middle of. And then there's the onboarding. AI was supposed to help new developers get up to speed faster, but if the AI doesn't understand your system, it cannot explain it. And now you're teaching the AI and the developer. Meet ACE, AI built for your actual DevOps reality. ACE connects directly to your GitHub repos and monitors every pull request. It integrates with your cloud accounts to control and understand your entire infrastructure. It handles your CI/CD pipelines, modifies code, adds features, all with complete context of your system. Because generic AI might be smart, but without context, it's just expensive autocomplete. But ACE gives you both.